Most of the business problems that you have is actually a personal problem. It's a personal problem disguised as a business problem. There's a lot of application to this. Number one, if there's a communication between a leader and again, sino dito yung may career right now? May trabaho, may career. Leader ka o ikaw yung nililid at some point? O hindi nyo lang naiintindihan yung tanong ko. Kasi dapat pasok kayo lahat eh. Power talks. Okay. So, there's a communication between people. Right? The leader will give you information. I'm sure it's happening. They give you lessons. And they will ask, did you understand? Nagets ba? Ang sabihin mo, yes. Kahit hindi. Kahit, you know, may binigay sa'yo instruction, plano, ang gandang strategy, right? An amazing strategy, a plan. Yung utak mo, nagko-compute pa. Tapos tinanong ka, did you understand? Yes. Kahit hindi. Ngayon, nahahanapan ka ngayon ito ng resulta. Nasaan na yung result? Wala ka ngayon masabi. Magsisinungaling ka na naman. Right? Hindi mo kayang i-admit that I don't know, sir. You know the dumbest thing to do? Is to pretend that you know. It's so dumb. You think you look smart if you pretend that you know? You think we don't know that you don't know? Okay. Magjowa. Right? Imagine this. Adrian said, Dinari, can you make me some coffee? Alright? Ngayon, meron siya ng 3 jar. Okay? Coffee, sugar, and poison. Katangahan, pinagtabi pa, no? Just imagine. Ngayon, pinagtimpla ng kape. Tinimpla ng kape ni Dinari. Ito ginawa, nilagyan ito nilagay. Pag ininom ni Adrian, ano mangyayari? Patay. Lesson number 1, watch your coffee. Bantayan mo kape mo. Because the reality is, ang gumagawa ng kape mo, yung taong close sa'yo. At yung close sa'yo, ang pwedeng sumira sa'yo. Dahil meaningful siya sa'yo. Even words can be coffee. Even words can be sugar or poison. Watch your coffee. Are you with me? Yes. Yung iba hindi nag-gets. Thank you for not agreeing, na? Hindi namin gets. Are you with me? Nagko-compute. Okay? 2. Hindi alam ni Dinari alin yung sugar o hindi. Ano ginawa niya? Nilagyan niya both. Walang masamang intention. It's just that Dinari doesn't know. She's not aware. Ininom ni Adrian, what will happen? Patay pa rin. Even if you don't have a negative intention, someone can die. So lesson number 2, don't be stupid. What does stupid means? You don't know how to ask. You don't know? Ask. Because if you don't ask, you stay what? Stupid. Ano sabi ni Jim Rohn? Don't be stupid. That's the biggest lesson. Di mo alam, tanungin mo. Huwag kang mahiyang magtanong. Kung may right med ba ito, di ba? Okay. Libreng promotion yon, right med, baka naman. Okay. Right? Number 3, hindi alam. Hindi na rin ano ginawa niya. Tinikman. Patay. Alam mo nang mali, tinikman mo pa. So don't pretend. Para sa akin, here's peace, no? Here's peace. Peaceful for me means, it's okay if I'm not okay. I'm not okay right now, but I'm good. It's okay. Okay lang. Hindi ka magpe-pretend na hindi ka okay. Di ako okay ngayon, but I will show up. Bad trip ako, I will show up. Hindi ka nagpe-pretend. You acknowledge it so that you have evidences na kahit pala di ako okay, kaya ko mag-show up. Kahit pala nanlalambod ako, bad trip ako ngayon, I can show up. Kahit pala nanhihina ako, may problema ako, I can show up for someone, I can still be kind, and that's evidence. Hear me out. The moment na tinanggap mo to, pag hindi ka okay, but you can still show up, dyan manggagaling yung confidence mo. My confidence didn't came from the money that I have, the real estate that we have, didn't come from the Porsche, the car that I drive. Tanggalan mo ako ng lahat ng meron ako, MJ Lopez pa rin ako. How about you? Baka pag tinanggalan ka ng pera, wala ka na. Because the value is in you, in the person, not in the money. Because you create the money. Write it down, I create the money. I print my money. You're the money maker here. Saan ba nanggaling confidence ko? Ang dami ko nang na-challenges eh. I lost 20 million, I lost my hair. I'm still here. I lost my brand before. Nasiraan ako ng kung sino-sinong tao. I'm still here. Serving people for free. Nakakita na kayo ng webinar, seminar, ganito, setup, libre? Hanap kayo. Right? So pag may nambabash sa akin, wala kayong karapatang magbash. Right? Look at the cameras that we have. Milyon ang isang camera ko and this is free. Naka-wireless setup tayo and this is free. I have a staffing team full of millionaires and this is fucking free. Kasi babash mo ako, huwag ka na lang manood. It's me saying no to disrespect. Are you with me still? So saan galing confidence ko? Dami ko nang pinagdaanan, nalampasan ko eh. Ginagawa ko eh. Niloko ako, mabait pa rin naman ako eh. So I have evidence na hindi nagbabago ugali ko regardless of anong ibato mo sa akin. That's confidence. Confidence is accepting the reality that if you're not okay right now, you can say, I'm not okay. But I'm okay with it. I'm good. It's okay if you're not okay. Are you with me? You embrace the reality. Kasi the moment that you reject the reality, mas mahihirapan ka eh. Okay lang magkwento? Okay, kuwento! May isang hari. Ngayon yung hari siya. Okay, mahilig siya sa mahilig siya mag-travel, no? Sumakay siya sa puti niyang kabayo. Nag-drive siya papuntang Tagaytay. Nag-drive, sinakayan pala yung kabayo niya, no? Alright? Ngayon, syempre, nung lumabas na yung hari, naiwan na yung palasyo, yung palace. It was, it's still guarded, but the king is not there. He's a wise king, by the way. Extremely wise and extremely good-looking. May nakaabang palang monster. No? May nakaabang na monster. Mukha bang monster? Monster. Mukhang Pokemon? I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. Okay, so monster na siya. Okay na, mukha ng monster. May label na po, in case hindi nyo na-gets yun. Okay? So, okay. Kasi monster, gusto niyang pumasok sa palasyo. He's trying to enter. Gusto niya sumalis eh. Siyempre may mga palace guards. Ano sabi ng guards? You monster, you're filthy. Right? Ang baho mo, hindi ka bagay dito. You smell bad, you stink. Shoo, go away. For every word of unkindness, negativity, and pushing away, the monster grew bigger and stronger. So the more na nare-reject mo siya, the more na lumalakas siya. You with me? Sinipa niya yung mga palace guards. Ano mangyayari sa loob? More guards. More palace guards, yeah? So here's what's happened. What's happening? Ganun ulit. Shoo, you smell bad. You don't belong here. Go away, monster. In every word of unkindness, negativity, and pushing away, the monster grew bigger and bigger and stronger and stronger. Until nasakop niya na yung buong palasyo. Pero may isang lalaki. Alright? Isang lalaki. Pangalan niya Mark. Nakasilip siyang ganyan. Naku po, nasakop na yung palasyo. Chismoso yun eh. Ano siya eh. Akala ko amazing morning na ngayon eh. Hindi pala amazing morning ito. May halimaw na sa palasyo. By the way, he sells cars. No? He is a Philippine Navy, but he sells cars. Just in case you want cars. Yes, akala nyo yung mga nakaitim dito, yung nag-serve ditong staff, walang bayad yan They are serving for free. They are not staff. They're just here to be part of the community because they wanna be here. And these are multi-millionaires around you. Yung mga nakaitim, mga milyonaryo po lahat yan. Just in case you don't know. Okay. Okay, now, balik tayo kay Amazing Morning. Dito, amazing. So sabi ngayon niya, sige, susumbong ko to kay boss. Pinuntahan niya ngayon yung hari, no? Pinuntahan niya. Pagdating niya doon, sabi niya, mahal na hari, not Amazing Morning. Wala nasakop na yung natin ng halimaw. Ang ginawa ng hari, huminga lang. Sige, kausapin natin. Pagdating ng hari, sabi niya, bro, pare, nandito ka pala. Hindi mo sinabi. Kung sinabi mo sana, paghanda ka namin ng registration sa harap, di ba? For every word of kindness, positivity, and acceptance, the monster grew smaller. Hinawakan niya yung halimaw. Sabi niya, pare, Parang ano Henry, Allen, pakiready nga yung gwintong bathtub. Okay, Jenna, John, pakiready nga yung Aventus Creed natin, yung Absolu. Pakiready yung Life Christian, Blonde Amber. Pabango po yun. Ano ba yung mga kilala nyo? Louis Vuitton Imagination, yan. Lemensite, pakiready. For every word of kindness, positivity, and acceptance, the monster grew smaller. Nung maliit na siya, sabi, pare, welcome ka sa palasyo ko anytime you want. Nawala siya. So, what's the moral of the story? Wala. Kailan ba meron? Okay, the moral of the story is very simple. Every one of us, we have monsters inside. You have monsters inside you. The more that you reject what's wrong with you, the more nalalaki yan. The more that you reject the negative emotion, maiipon yan. The more that you reject the no's that you've been tolerating, maiipon niya. Kahit jowa mo yan. Sino dito yung may jowang ganyan? Yung mga lalaking may jowa. Sino dito yung babae mong jowa ganyan? Sasabihin sa'yo, okay lang. Iniipon pala. Hindi sila makapagtaas ng kamay kasi katabi nila. Pero nararamdaman ko yung breathing patterns. Okay. So funny, right? But hear me out. Gagamitin nila yan against you, yeah? Sino dito naranasan na? Huwag na kayo mahiya. Tapagin mo na yung girlfriend mo. Kukutabi mo. Iipunin nila yan. Yung galit nila. Anong gagawin nila? Gagamitin nila pag kailangan. Pag may mali ka, February 14, 2:39. Sinin mo lang ako. Alam nila yung data. Ang tawag doon, data management. But anyway, okay lang. You don't lie to yourself. Are you with me? Don't tolerate that. If it's not okay, say it to yourself. Now, hear me out. Sino dito, Sino dito, pag sinabihan ka ng something around your weight, na-offend ka? So, hindi ka okay. Isipin mo, tanongin ka lang, ano edad mo, na-offend ka? What's your age? Bakit mo tinatanong? Bawal pala yun? Right? Ano timbang mo? Bakit kaya mo malaman? It means that you're not comfortable about your weight. Nagigess ba ako? Okay lang. So it's like, don't pretend. If you're not okay with your weight, edi galaw-galaw. Sino dito yung mga trentahin? Umamin na kayo. Mga trentahin? Ako lang trentahin dito. Mga trentahin na you know yourself na pag kumain ka ng konting munggo, medyo may ginagout na. Masakit na yung ugat-ugat mo, dali-daliri mo. Yeah? You guys can relate, yeah? You're not okay. Tanggapin mo. Hindi na ako pwedeng kumain ng munggo. Mangga na lang. Gets? Okay, next. Ano pa yung mga lies na lagi mong sinasabi? Guys, I'm telling you, later on, we can talk about business frameworks. You can ask me questions. Kasagutin ko yan kahit business problem yan. Right? On the spot, hihimayin ko yung problema mo. But hear me out. Most of the business problems that you have is actually a personal problem. It's a personal problem disguised as a business problem. You made wrong decisions mainly because you don't accept the reality.